Steve Hill here with Midnight Trader with another earnings update for you. It's August the 11th, that's tonight. After the bell we have Kongzhong Corp, K-O-N-G, reporting. And we're going to have a look and see what happened in the most recent earnings event for this stock to see if we can get an idea of what it's going to do tomorrow. First slide here is from the earnings notebook. And this gives me some information on what's happened in the past for Kong. As you can see here, it favors reversing what it does in the after hours following those earnings. In fact, it's narrowed or reversed 11 times and widened 7 times, and one time it was flat. But in the near term, it favors reversing or cutting back its moves. In fact, in the last 4 out of 5 quarters, whatever it did in the after hours, whether up or down, it's in fact given that, or some of that, back the next trading day. If you look here at a daily price chart we have for you, I put on here the last 4 quarters earnings. In the red is the after hours reaction once the earnings came out, and then in the blue is the total gain loss through to the end of the next trading day. And you can see here with the last 4 quarters, 3 of them, whatever it did in the after hours, it's given some back into the next trading day. So for example, on the far left, back in August of 2008, we were up 4.0 in the after hours. The next trading day, it gave back 2% of that. And at the event in November of 2008, we were up 2.3% in after hours, right after earnings. But next trading day, we were down 5.2. So again, the complete reversal rather than a narrowing on that one. And on the event in February, we're up 3.0% in after hours, but it narrowed it back down to just 0.7%. The one out of the last 5 that actually widened was the one that was back in May. It was up 3.8% in after hours, and then continued up into the next trading day by another 1.8%. So still at the moment, looks like Kong is favoring narrowing or reversing. So if you're watching the after hours and you see which direction it's moving, there's a good chance it's going to give some of that back the next trading day. We'll be back with another one of these updates later on this week.